Welcome back to Shem's Universe. So today, guys, I'm gonna save you guys a bunch of money. When you're trying to figure out where to live in the world, I get this question a lot. People are like, "Oh, come look at my astrocryptography," or "What should I do based off my Chinese zodiac on where to live?" And I'm like, why? Like, the thing is, guys, is there's a lot of glitches with AstroNumerics, and all AstroNumerics is when you combine astrology with numerology and you start taking in the way certain things are. And what I mean by that is, like, you start using your common sense and then realizing that, okay, each sign has distinctive traits that's going to translate to different situations in life, and each number has different traits that's going to translate to different situations in life. One ideology is using symbolism via astrology. It's using symbolism in planets to instruct you on what to do, how to behave, and what your natural mental inclinations are going to be, and it's going to foreshadow your future. The same thing goes with numerology. It uses numbers and planetary influence to then tell you and illustrate what's going to happen in your future, who you are, what reincarnation you're in, why you're in it, etc. So when you combine them, you start to get a full picture of actually how to operate in the world that we live in today. So when you want to know specifically about what or where you should live specifically in the world, what you actually want to be looking at is your rising sign. Your rising sign tells you where you ascend in life, right? So it's all about ascending. So what you want to do is you want to look at, you can use AI for this at this point. I'm not even going to offer this as a reading. You can use AI for this. You can literally just put in Virgo rising, where best to live in the world. And it will explain to you that systematic, conservative, and I'm using Earth signs as an example for this short, and very like organized cities are going to work best for you, like a Stockholm, Sweden, possibly Berlin, maybe certain parts of upper New York, but more so like conservative places, not liberal. New York's a little bit too liberal for even like a rising sign Virgo, for instance, which is myself. So what I would say is, you for one want to look with AI or Google. AI is more advanced anyways, so get with AI. And what you want to do is you want to look at where is best for your rising sign to live. And then when you see the cities and suggestions it says, you can then see and use common sense, understand that all it's doing is taking the traits from your rising sign and then applying that to a distinctive city. If it knows you're an earth sign, it knows you'll be conservative. Your fire sign will be probably more liberal and wanting to be more in the center of things. Air sign, intellectual, high tech, and then water sign, more quiet and reserved. It's really as simple as that, guys. Peace.